Welcome to Eon Market AI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to use Advanced Image Editor. Go to the left menu and click on Advanced Image Editor. Now you are in Advanced Image Editor section. You can upload an image, select from Media Library, or you can upload a template. You can choose templates from our template library. You can also choose blank canvas. Once you choose your desired option, your chose image ready to edit. You can see all the tools in left menu. You can adjust image. Frames. You can add text to your image. You can add image to your template either from your local or from Media Library. You can add shapes to your image. You can undo or redo any change. You can add elements to your image. You can add icons to your image. You can also add QR codes to your image. You can draw your image. Once you're done editing, you can save your edited image or you can download it in your desired format. Thanks for watching the video.